Hello children, in this video we are going to see about the shoot system of the plant. So we know in the shoot system leaf plays an important role. Yes, in last video we have seen about the stem as the backbone of the plant. So today here you are going to see the leaf as the kitchen of the plant. So leaf, it is the flat green part of the plant which arises from the node of a stem or its branches. Okay, so leaf, it is the flat green part of the plant which arises from the node of a stem or its branches. So now we are going to see about the parts of leaf. So first part is petiole, second lamina, then midrib, side veins. So this is the structure of a leaf which contain petiole, lamina, midrib and vein. So now we can see the part one by one and where it is attached and what is its function. Okay, so petiole, it is the part which attaches to the stem, which attaches the leaf to the stem. Okay, so it is also called as stalk. So petiole, it is the part which attaches the leaf to the stem. It is also called as stalk. Then lamina, it is the broad flat green part of the leaf. Okay, so lamina means it is the broad flat green part of the leaf which is also known as leaf blade. Now midrib. What is meant by midrib? It is the main or central vein. It is called as midrib. So this is the midrib which is the main or central vein of the leaf from which numerous side veins will be coming. Okay, so the main or central vein of the leaf is called as midrib from which the side veins will be arised. Now side veins means they are the tiny veins which arises on both the side of the midrib. So what is the function of these veins? These veins will transport food and water and provide support to the leaf. Understood children? Now here you can see the structure of a leaf. Now about leaf venation. So when we are seeing the veins in a leaf, some leaves have different pattern or design, that is called leaf venation. So leaf venation means it is the design or pattern which is made by the veins in a leaf. So leaf venation is of two types. They are reticulate venation and parallel venation. Okay, so what is meant by leaf venation? It is the design or the pattern made by the veins in a leaf. So it is of two types, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Okay, so here you can see in the first picture reticulate venation. So you see the veins of these leaves, it has a different design. Yes, second picture it shows the parallel venation. Okay, so plants which has leaves with reticulate venation have tap roots. Okay, So the plant whose leaves have reticulate venation have taproot. So in the previous video we have seen about the roots, types of roots. There are two types of roots. They are taproot and fibrous root, isn't it? So here the plants whose leaves have a reticulate venation will be having a taproots, and the plants whose leaves have a parallel venation. So see here in this picture you can see the veins is arranged in the parallel way, yes, like parallel line. Yes, so it is called parallel venation, and the plants whose leaves have parallel venation have fibrous root. Understood, children? So this is about leaf venation. Now, what is the function of leaves? First function of the main function of the leaf is it can manufacture food by the process called photosynthesis. So how the plants will prepare their own food? They can prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis. So this is the main function of the leaf, as the leaves are called as kitchen of the plant. So only we are saying that leaf as the kitchen of the plant. Why? Means where the food get prepared by the plants with the help of process called photosynthesis. So during photosynthesis, chlorophyll traps sunlight using carbon dioxide, water and energy, that is energy which they get from the light, that is light energy will produce food in the form of glucose. Yes, so the main function of the leaf is manufacturing the food. That process is called photosynthesis. So here chlorophyll present. Chlorophyll is the green pigment which present in the leaf. It will trap sunlight, and using carbon dioxide, water and energy, leaves produce food in the form of glucose. So here you can see in the picture the process of photosynthesis. So the leaf will trap sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, and carbon dioxide and water will be used to produce food in the form of glucose. Now leaf contain tiny pores which is called as stomata, which is present in the leaf, help in the exchange of gases. So we know plants will respire carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Yes, so for the exchange of gases, leaf contain tiny pores, stomata, which will help in the exchange of gases, so that carbon dioxide will be absorbed and oxygen will be used out from the plant. Next, extra water in the plant will be released from the stomata in the form of water vapor. So plants, you know, it will take water for their growth, and the extra water will be released from the stomata in the form of water vapor. The process is called as transpiration. So transpiration, what is the use of transpiration in the plant? Transpiration help in the cooling of leaves and upward transport water from the roots to other parts of the plant. Okay, so you can see in the picture, so I told that stomata through stomata, with the help of stomata, the extra water will be released from the leaf in the form of water vapor. That process is transpiration, which will help in the cooling of the leaves, and it helps for the upward transport of water from the root to other parts of the plant. So this is about functions of leaves. Now we can see about modification of leaves. So the leaves of plants like cactus, prickly pear, it will reduce to thorns. So here you can see the cactus with spines. Okay, so these cactus can be reduced to thorns or spines, which will prevent a loss, which will prevent loss of water and from being eaten by grazing animals. Presence of thorns or spines in the leaves of cactus or prickly pear help to prevent the loss of water and protect the plants from being eaten by grazing animals. Now, leaves or leaflets of plants such as pea plant, glory lily, it is modified into leaf tendrils which help the plant to climb up. So here you can see the picture of glory lily, so which is modified into leaf tendrils which help the plant to climb up. Now next, leaves of bryophyllum and begonia develop buds on the margin. So here you can see the picture bryophyllum which develops the bud on the margins of the leaf. So buds will grow into new plants on coming contact with moist soil. So when these buds come in contact with moist soil, it will grow into a new plants. Then leaves of onion can store food. So next is leaves of Venus flytrap. So plants like Venus flytrap, here you can see the picture of Venus flytrap. It is modified, Venus flytrap and picture plant, it is modified to trap insects. So this is the leaf of the Venus flytrap plant, so which is modified to trap insects. Then leaves of most plants are broad and flat. So if the surface area is more, it will be exposed to light. If the increased surface area is exposed to light, more will be the rate of photosynthesis. So the rate of photosynthesis will be more if more surface area is exposed to light. Okay children, so the rate of photosynthesis will be more if the more surface area is exposed to the light. So this is about modification of leaves. I hope that you all understand about the modifications of leaves, parts of leaves and functions of leaves. If you have any doubt, you can ask children. Thank you.